up, y'all? I'm coming back with another video, but this video won't be a sit down beauty filming my face video. This video will be about how my setup is for me to film makeup videos. So let's start over here where I film my videos. From this angle, this is what it looks like. I have my ring light. I ordered it on Amazon. I have my vanity mirror. I ordered it on Amazon. I have a fan for when I dry my lashes, a small mirror, and I have a box, and that's what my camera and tripod sit on because my camera's too short and my tripod's kind of short for me to have it right on my face. So, and I have my brushes here. I have a stool, a lot of things because I was filming videos. I have to take my drawers out because I don't have a desk. I have a nightstand, so that's that. And then I put my drawers on the floor over here. And how I prepare for a video is I take this and I fill it up for whatever I'll need, like for whatever look I'm doing. I'll fill it up that way. I got my glitters over here because I did a video. Eye brushes, face brushes. These are all my palettes and makeup wipes and miscellaneous things, and that's what I do. That's my setup. I have to take my drawers out and put them somewhere they're not in the way, and that's my filming setup. It's not anything spectacular, it's not anything expensive. I just took something and turned it into something that I can use. So yeah, that's it. That's what I do. This works for me, and that's what's gonna work for me until I move, or well, yeah, until I move, or I could buy another, but you know, it works and I don't have to spend money. So okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. This is, you know, like I said, what works for me. If it just could not work for you, then that's your own preference. But yeah, okay, thanks for watching. I'm out.